Hello everyday people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you real quick how you can send and receive RMB on the Chinese Alipay app. And if this is your first time seeing my video, please give this video a thumbs up and also like this video so that YouTube gets to put this video to many people that needs it. If you haven't subscribed, hit the bell notification button, subscribe to this channel so you get notified whenever I post useful videos just like this one you are watching. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into why we are here, how you can send and receive RMB on the Chinese Alipay app. Now to do this, I'm going to divide the video into two sections, which is the receiving part and also the sending part. Now before you can receive RMB, you must have set up and verified your Alipay app, set up your payment password. If you haven't done that, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Please go and click on the link, watch the video, then come back again and learn how you can send and receive RMB on the Chinese Alipay app. Now that is done, how can you receive RMB on the Chinese Alipay app? It's not difficult. All you have to do is to generate your payment code, right? Send your payment code to the sender. Let me show you how you can generate your payment code. So open your Alipay app. When that is done, you will see scan, payment received, transport and pocket. The pocket and transport is none of our business. What concerns us is the scan, payment and receive. Alright, so if you want to receive RMB, the option where you have the pay and receive, go ahead and click on it. You see the receive option there. Go ahead and click on the receive option. You see this orange barcode, and you also see a point where they say save code or save picture, right? Go ahead and click on the save picture. You see save to album. This means our payment code has been generated and it has been saved to our phone gallery or to our phone photos. All you have to do is to send this picture or this code to your RMB exchanger or to the person, your friend and family in China that wants to send you the RMB. All right, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is how you can receive RMB. They send it. So when they are send you the RMB, yeah, this is how you can check if you have received the RMB. Let me quickly show you that. So to check that, just click on account. When you click on account, you see option that says balance, right? Balance. Click on balance. All the payments that has been sent to you will be shown here, and you'll be able to see the balance RMB that they have sent to you. Now that you have learned how you can receive RMB, now how can you send out this RMB to your Chinese supplier, or how can you send this RMB to your exchanger to exchange from RMB to Naira for you? Okay, now to send that RMB, we'll be able to do this in two phases. Number one, through the barcode method or through the add and pay method to send out RMB. So let me start with the scan method or the barcode method. Now to send out RMB with the barcode method, all you have to do is to get the barcode of your Chinese supplier or the Alipay code of your exchanger you want to send the RMB to. So when you get the code, first save the code to your phone gallery, then click on scan, then click on your album, select that particular code you want to send out the RMB to. Let's say for my case I select this. Then when you are done, then click on done. This code will be automatically scanned, and then go ahead and enter the amount you want to send to this particular supplier or the amount you want to send to this particular exchanger to exchange from RMB to Naira for you. So let me say for this instant I'm sending 0.01 RMB. When I'm done, then I'll click on add remark. You add remark if you want to. Okay, just add anything, then they click on confirm, then go ahead and click on the pay button. Remember I told you, before you be able to send and receive RMB, you must have set up and verified your Alipay with your international passport, and also set up your payment password. Very important, your payment password. Okay, so this is where your payment password comes in. Now click on pay instant. All right, when you click on pay instant, it will prompt you to enter your payment password. I believe this screen will be blank for security purpose. Okay, now this is where you enter your payment password. I'll just go ahead and enter my payment password. Now my RMB has now been transferred from my Alipay app to the supplier's Alipay app or to my exchanger Alipay account. All right, so this is how the interface look like if your payment has been done. Okay, so this is how you can send using the barcode method. Now let me show you how to use the add and pay method or the phone number method or the email method, whichever one you can use the email, you can use the phone number, whichever one you can use, provided it is called the add and pay method. All right, now to do that, you have to go to your Alipay app one more time, then click on message. When that is done, you see this blue icon here, go ahead and click on the blue icon. You also see the add add contact button right there. Go ahead and click on the add contact button. Then you see this this search bar here. You can enter the Alipay ID, enter mobile number, or enter email, whichever one you have, it can be used. Okay, so just go ahead and enter the particular email you want to use. For my case, I'll just enter this, my email. Now when that is done, you see this search blue icon here. Go ahead and click on it. Now this loads. Now that this thing has loaded, you see the option of transfer, red pocket, send message, or you see add friend. This point you have this send message, then you see add friend. Now because I have added this number or this email as friend already on my Alipay app, that's why it's not showing me the option of add friend. Instead it's showing me the option of send message. Okay, now for your case, you can either click on add friend, or you just send the money directly to the person. And to send the money directly to the person, just click on transfer. Okay, so this is how you can send. Just click on transfer, then go ahead and enter the amount of RMB you want to send to this particular supplier or to this exchanger. So for this case, I use 0.01, and of course you want to go ahead and enter remark if you want to. Okay, so I just entered my remark, then click on transfer. When that is done, it will prompt you to enter your payment password once again. Remember, if you have not set up your payment password, there's no way you'll be able to transfer money out of your Alipay account. And I've created a video how you can create your Alipay account, set up your payment password and everything. The link is in the description of this video. Go and click the link and watch how you'll be able to do that. Now that is done, enter your payment password. Now the money will leave your account and be sent to this person. So this is basically how you can transfer money from your Alipay app to your suppliers, to your supplier, or to your exchanger. It's not that difficult. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I hope you learned something for this video. If you gained something for this video, please do well to say thank you in the comment section, or ask your question if you are a bit confused in any place. All right, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so you'll be among the first set of people to get notified whenever I post useful videos just like this one. Also give this video a thumbs up, like this video so YouTube get to push my video to as so many people that needs it. Please tell me the topic or the next video you want to see on this channel. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.